Hi everyone, I've had so much fun making all these crafts with you this year at Vacation Bible School, and today I have 2 crafts for our last day together. Now the first craft we're going to make is some chalk paint, and we can use that for our service project, which our project today is going out and chalking up our neighborhood, so going out and writing Bible verses and inspirational messages, as well as drawing nice pictures and like rainbows and sunshines and smiley faces to bring joy to your community. Now, both of the crafts we're going to do today can get a little bit messy, as the one uses food coloring and the other uses acrylic paint, so you're going to want to make sure you have an older t-shirt on that if you get something on it, it's okay. So like I said, the first craft we're going to make today is some chalk paint, so that way if you don't have any chalk at home, you can make some chalk paint with some items you can find in your kitchen, and then that way you can still go out and spread the good news of Jesus' love all throughout your neighborhood. So to make your chalk paint, you're going to need some paintbrushes. You're going to need however many cups based on how many colors of paint you want to make. So I'm going to make 2 colors. I'm going to make blue and green, but if you were going to make 4 different colors, you'd want to have 4 cups. 6 different colors, you'd want to have 6 cups. Another way you could do it is if you get like a cupcake or muffin tin, and then you can make a bunch of different colors in the different spots in there. But like I said, I'm only making 2 colors, so I have 2 different cups. I have a tablespoon to measure my water and cornstarch. I have a plastic spoon to mix my paint together. I have some paper towels, as this sometimes can get messy. I have some water, cornstarch, and I have some food coloring. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take 1 cup, and you're going to put equal parts of cornstarch and water into your cup. So I'm going to do 2 scoops of cornstarch and 2 scoops of water into my cup. But if you're making more colors, you're going to want to make a bigger batch, so you may need 4 or 5 tablespoons of cornstarch, or maybe even a 1/4 cup, and then you'll just do the same amount of water as cornstarch. So I just did 2 scoops of cornstarch into my cup, so now I'm going to do 2 scoops of water. And I'm going to carefully mix my cornstarch and water together. When you start mixing, it's going to be kind of clumpy and a little bit hard, and then you're just going to keep mixing gently until it turns into a liquid. So now it's like this, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to carefully pour half of my mixture into my other cup so I can make 2 different colors. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add food coloring to my cups. Like I said, I'm going to make blue and green chalk paint today. So I'm going to get out some blue and some green. And then you're going to add some drops to your mixture. Now, if you want darker colors, you're going to use more drops. If you want lighter colors, you'll use less drops. And now you're going to take a paintbrush and you're going to carefully mix in the color. So I have my green paint, and I'll do the same thing to the blue one. So now I have my chalk paint. So now you can get an adult and you can go outside and safely go around your neighborhood and use your chalk paint and write messages or draw pictures. Something really cool about the chalk paint is when you first start painting with it, you're not going to be able to see it very well. It's going to be kind of dark, and then as it dries, it gets darker, and then you'll really get to see the picture or the message that you wrote on the driveway or the sidewalk. So now you have chalk paint, and you can go out and spread, like I said, the good news of Jesus' love all throughout your neighborhood and your community, and just bring some happiness and joy and positivity to the people in your community.